I already saw that Teekwa is here. And Teekwa, I wanna talk with Teekwa because I want you to hear from her. How did she really was able to fight all those beliefs that said, don't get into this program, don't get into this program. So we're gonna talk to her a little bit. Hi, Teekwa.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, good, good. So Teekwa is on the Webinar to Profit program. She just joined us February on our retreat, right, Teekwa? I think we are into it for 6 or 7 weeks. So why don't you introduce yourself, tell people who you are and what you do.
Hi, everyone. My name is Teekwa Scarborough, and I am one of the dynamic business building coaches, along with my business partner, Mary Fitzgerald. And we help women start their business with an online course.
That's right. That's right. Amazing, amazing. Now, if you could share with the ladies that are here today, when you came to one of my retreats in February, did you feel like, you know what, I think I'm going to do this by myself, because you're pretty knowledgeable. You and Mary know all the technology, you help people build courses. I mean, did you think I'm going to do this by myself? I can do, you know, the research online, and I'm just going to apply what she taught me here. Was that like your first reaction?
That was our first reaction, but then I know that we had already invested in a coach before. So attending your retreat, you resonated with me. The things that you were saying, you was hitting the right points. Sometimes you have doubt when you have a bad experience from a previous, so that kind of like, you know, prevents you from wanting to move forward. But because of what you were saying about being grateful for these things and really getting in tune with us, that resonated with me. So that what made me want to move forward with you.
That's awesome. Now, during this time, the way that the classes are presented and the step-by-step, little by little that I share with you, what did you like mostly about the way the lessons are presented?
One is the accountability. Definitely keeping on top of us is a big thing, because I know that we have many other things that goes on, but having that check-in it's valuable to me. And then also doing the work, actually doing the work. So once we get consistent with it, yes, it's like, oh my God, I gotta do this. We felt uncomfortable, but once we started doing the work, it became easier over time. And it wasn't like work. It was just like, oh, I could do this in 5 minutes, you know, and things like that. So what you said was true.
Oh my goodness, so good to hear. We haven't spoke about this before, so it's really, really good. Now tell me, I know you have 2 businesses and you work and you have a life. So how are you able to find time for, you know, to really commit to this?
It's very hard and difficult, but someone just asked me that that retired from my job, and he was like, are you still working? He says, how are you doing all of this? And I told him, grit, perseverance, motivation, and just sticking around like-minded people. And then also being a part of your program has helped both Mary and I keep us accountable for what we're doing so that we can stay consistent. So consistency is key. You'll find time, you just have to make the time for it.
Awesome, awesome. So tell me, if you were to give an advice for those people that are still like, you know what, I'm gonna finish this first, and then maybe I'll come next time, or you know, they're just kind of on that waiting situation on their business, what would be your advice for those people?
My advice is like, don't wait, because the longer you wait, the longer it's going to be for you to see the results in your business. If you sit around, you're going to see everybody else passing you by, getting the results that they want. And you're like, oh my God, I should have been in it from the beginning. I know I have done that plenty of times. And I see some of the people that I network with and they just way up there and I'm still behind because I waited. Don't wait. If you know what's in your heart, you know that this is something that you want to do and this is your passion, get it done. Just do it. Don't even think about it.
You're so amazing, Teekwa. Now, I know you're super busy, so I'm not going to take too much of your time. So when is your next event? What are you guys talking about? Invite everybody.
Awesome. So our next webinar is April 23rd. So this is our second one. Woo! Our first one was awesome. We did get a lot of registrants and it was awesome. We got a lot of feedback from them. So our next one is April 2nd. It's a webinar on course creation with Mary and Teekwa. And I'll share the link in the group if you would like to register, if you are thinking about starting an online course. That is our course creation GPS program.
Awesome. Awesome. Awesome, Teekwa. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you coming and I can't wait. Oh my gosh, it's April 2nd. Yes. Yes. Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank
Teekwa.
you.